everyone. Chapter 4, Metals and Non-Metals. And in this video, we are going to cover physical properties of metals and non-metals. Understand various objects we use in our daily life, which are made up of metals or non-metals. We can classify commonly used objects such as a steel spoon, piece of aluminum foil, the blade of a knife, charcoal into metals and non-metals. For example, the blade of knife and aluminum foil are all shiny. The materials which are shiny, flexible and conduct heat or electricity are called metals. The substance like coal, sulfur are not shiny and cannot be bent. They may burn but will not conduct heat. These substances are classified as non-metals. Metals and non-metals can be identified on the basis of their appearance and other physical properties. So let's understand physical properties of metals first. As you can see in this picture, this is a jewelry which is made up of gold, and gold is a metal having so much luster. A new steel spoon or a steel plate has a shining surface. You can even see your face in it. All metals are shiny in appearance, and this shine is called luster. Now see this picture of Iron Man. You know that the body of this Iron Man is made up of metal, and this metal is very hard. So all metals are very hard except mercury. Now next property, physical state. Metals are generally solid with one exception, that is mercury. Mercury is liquid at room temperature. Malleability. Malleability is the property of material to be beaten into sheets. As you can see in this picture, gold can be converted into thin sheets. Think of another example. Next is ductility. Ductility is the property that allows material to be drawn into wires. Electrical wires are made up of thin strands of copper or aluminium, which are metals. The thin strands can be turned and twisted easily without breaking. This shows the ductility of metals. Metals have high melting and boiling points, except cesium and gallium. Metals are very good conductors of heat and electricity. Metals are also dense. You know, osmium have highest density, but lithium have least density. Now let's take a quick look on physical properties of non-metals. Non-metals are generally soft. They are dull. They don't have shiny surface. They can be found in all three states: solid, liquid and gases at room temperature. They are generally brittle. They break into small pieces when beaten. They have low melting and boiling point. They also have low density. They are poor conductors of heat and electricity. We have learned the physical properties of metals and non-metals. Let's understand few exceptions. As I told you that metals are very hard in nature, but this metal can be cut with a knife. This is sodium. Metals are generally solid in state at room temperature, but this metal is liquid in state, which is mercury. I told you that metals have good conductivity for heat, but this metal are bad conductor of heat. These are lead. I told you that non-metals does not have luster, but this non-metal, which is called iodine, have luster. Non-metals are bad conductor of electricity, but graphite is a non-metal, have good conductivity for electricity. Non-metals are very soft in nature, but there is an exception of diamond. Diamond is made up of carbon and it is the hardest known material on this earth. That's all for now. Thank you.